is Tim, picking up on video number 2, where we left off last time. We were importing some data from the Quora database, and we can see some of that information here. Once we upload it, we can see how the papers are connected to other papers through citations. One thing I wanted to show very quickly is how easy it is to kind of step through some of this stuff on your own if you're interested. So if you run this command, play movie graph, once you've uploaded the movie data set, go ahead and click play here, and it creates this little terminal that you can click through and try out some different queries. So you don't need to run this one because this is creating the data that's already in your database, but if you wanted to match on Tom Hanks, you can run this query from here, and it will return the Tom Hanks node. So you can practice some of the syntax from just running this :play movie-graph. This syntax that they use here is essentially a where clause. It's within curly brackets. So you can just run this as Tom : person, shift enter, where name Tom.name equals Tom Hanks, and that's essentially the same query. So that you can run it one of two different ways, that way or this way. So it just depends on your preference. Down here they're saying find 10 people, and then find movies released in 1990s. So where the release date is greater than 1990 and less than 2000. So that's similar to SQL. Run that one, and you can see all the movie names here. If you wanted to see the nodes, just as a reminder, format this. So you're saying match all the 90s movies where that's the date, and then just return that variable instead of the dot, and that will return all the nodes in the picture. So you can do it different ways and explore it that way. So I just wanted to quickly show that because you can step through the different queries that they run here and get a feel for the syntax and try it out for yourself. They even show some ways to do multiple hops or shortest path, so these are a little bit more advanced. But this is like a great use case for Neo4j, where you're saying show me the directors of this movie, so you click play, and that returns the directors' names. If you do return star, this will return the full picture. So that's saying those 3 directors directed this movie. So yeah, there's different ways to run things.